I am doing the Access course, UK, and on my third day, I did quite bad because I was extremely rainy and windy. Any advice on how to get my confidence back? So, Monica, you right there, you figured out that the reason why you did bad was because of rain and wind. So, what is it that was the problem? That you felt like you didn't have enough traction, so you're scared to accelerate, you're scared to brake a little bit harder. The wind was pushing you to the sides. Go ahead and expand on that, because I would love to hear more, because I can give some more information. The confidence thing, that right there with rain, let's go ahead and let's pick it apart. Okay, let's make a big problem something smaller. So the rain. So with rain, you have visibility problems. So if I got water on these glasses, you'd have all these spots. You also have loss of traction. Maybe it's a little cold. Maybe you're getting wet. It's not the ideal situation. So the confidence starts to tank a little bit because you're obviously trying to learn, right? You're doing the Access course, so it's your third day. So maybe it's your third day riding. I don't know too much about that. Maybe you're getting to a position of, this is just way too new for me. So here's the thing. Tires, motorcycle tires, can handle rain. Trust your tires when it comes to rain. Trust them. Okay, as long as they're warmed up, you have the proper PSI in them, that they have good tread still, they will displace that water and grab that road. They will have that mechanical traction like you need. So when you are riding, trust that. So don't worry about, hey, I can't brake very quick. I can't accelerate very quick. You still can. Just remember, it's progressive brake pressure and progressive throttle too. Don't just go like this. Nice and easy, nice smooth shift and everything. And also squeeze, 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 squeeze. The wind, if it's pushing you from side to side, just realize maybe you have to just lean a little bit more. So if the wind's pushing you from this way, it's going this way, maybe you just have to lean a little bit like this, and that's all it takes. Okay, it's scary because it's going to constantly do this to you, but just realize that you do have traction on those tires. What you just saw was a clip from the live stream, which we do all the time on this channel every single week. So if you want to, click that subscribe button. I think it's right here. Maybe it's right here. I don't know. There's videos on the screen. Matt, what do I do?